You know, most people don't realize this, and of course now, because we're looking back and you've been around for so many years, the first few years of your life you would have actually spent sort of educating yourself to a point where that boy from the village is where you are right now, and consistently so for a very long time. Like, for instance, a simple thing like, I know for a fact, having been in Delhi and being a Bihari, like, the word Bihari is a gali. They look down upon Bihari. Arey, the Bihari hai.
Right.
Did you face that at all?
Yeah, definitely. But somehow God made me like this, that if somebody is laughing at me for belonging to a certain place, I used to think in my mind, कि ये loser है.
Right.
क्योंकि ये ऐसे सोचता है. तो till now, if somebody, if I'm part of a conversation, if they are talking in terms of caste and religion and region, I'll just kind of, I move away from that conversation. I start doing my own thing, because
It's a low form of conversation.
I really feel that, what's the use of education if you are going to judge a person by his region, which is a great region. I always say that, you have to be lucky to be born in a village. You really have to be lucky, because you really don't know what you're missing out.
Right.
Here I as a parent, I'm always trying to find a place for, or an amusement park for my daughter, who goes to one of the most expensive and the best school in Bombay, but she doesn't find a good amusement park. I mean, look at me, I studied in a Jhopadi school, but I had the entire field to me. Okay, a river, a canal, a mountain, a jungle, and a green field. I could go anywhere, I could play anywhere. My parents never had to think about these things. So yes, you really have to be lucky to be born and brought up in a place like that. So there are things that I can talk about. There are things the city-bred people were not exposed to. I was exposed to. So I used to think about that. And I always moved away from these kind of conversations, because I'm still not very comfortable if people start talking.
Right. No, but what I meant really was, like, for instance, one of the things that marks a Bihari out is the way he speaks Hindi. There's a particular accent,
right.
And in Delhi this is looked out upon.
मैंने उसके ऊपर बहुत काम किया था.
Right. So that's something that you worked hard on.
I worked very hard on it, not because I was ashamed of it.
Right.
Because I
want to be an actor.
I wanted to be an actor. I felt that if you're an actor, you can't be one type. You can't be one type. Even in your real life, people can't be thinking that, oh, Manoj Bajpayee is a Bihari. No, I can't be.
You could play a Marathi.
I can play a Marathi,
Punjabi,
Punjabi, or anyone. For my personal gain and for my professional gain, I started working on it. For many years, people could not actually find out or figure it out as to where I am from.
With your Hindi.
With my Hindi.
Right. And the other thing that you work very hard on, and your English is as fluent as it gets, but it's something that you had to, that is self-learned.
Oh my God, it still goes on. I mean, and I'm never ashamed of it. Personally, I feel that my daughter, she refuses to talk in Hindi, and sometimes she laughs at me for, my English is so good, yours is no. I say, your Hindi is pathetic. Your Hindi is pathetic.
Which is, I'm sure it's true. Yeah.
So Apurva Asrani, one day he said that you are laughing at my Hindi. Should I talk about your English? I said, yeah, you can go on talking about my English, but it's still better than your Hindi.
Apurva Asrani being the editor of Satya.
Yeah, he's a lovely friend of mine.
Right.
Yeah, so very soon we'll be doing a film directed by him.
Right.
Yeah, so he's writing a beautiful script. But yeah, that was a conscious decision. When I landed in Delhi, the flat that I was sharing with other students, so all of those guys were actually preparing for, or they have their eyes set on UPSC.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So the morning newspaper was compulsory. Okay. So the newspaper came. I still remember the headline: the colleges will be shut, sign die. I said, okay, wait a minute.
वो तो English भी नहीं है, that's Latin.
I said, okay, wait a minute. हमको तो बताया गया था कि college is shut, colleges will be shut. What the hell is this sign die? So I said, Manoj Bajpayee, just ask these people. But the other side of me was stopping me. They are going to laugh at me. I said, let's just ask them. And those guys one of them was from Scindia Public School. I said, yaar, ye bata, ye colleges will be shut. ये तो समझ में आ गया, ये साइन डाई क्या है? तो उसने अरे तुम्हारा पागल है क्या? ये जो है मतलब अनिश्चित काल के लिए। अच्छा, ये साइन डाई का मतलब अनिश्चित काल होता है। तो द जर्नी ऑफ लर्निंग द अदर लैंग्वेज started from there, but also I have realized that I should not take English as a language here, because English is a tool to compete in a big city. Even if I'm going to work in a Hindi film industry, English is going to be a tool to fit in, you know, to get your work done, to make people feel that I'm one of them. You know, so it was a skill, it was a tool. So I took it as a tool. I never took it as a burden of learning a language. The biggest blessing that happened to me was Barry John. You know, so when Barry John took me under his wings, then he made sure that, you know, I keep on working my English every day, and then he started giving me roles in his English plays, and that kind of you know, changed my life completely.
No, because there is that whole notion, especially in a city like Delhi, or perhaps even a city like Bombay. Any big city is where other people merge from other parts of India. So एक टाइप कास्ट होता है कि ये इंग्लिश मीडियम टाइप है, ये हिंदी मीडियम टाइप है, HMT है, हिंदी मीडियम टाइप।
मैं बीच का टाइप का।
बीच का टाइप। Because you know what I've heard about you, and elaborate on this, is that when you actually reached Delhi University, and Delhi University has a huge Bihari gang. It's called the Harry gang.
Right.
They all, like, you know, they stick together. But you made sure that you never hung out with any Bihari, and that you made friends with Kenyans and Nigerians.
Oh, you know that?
Yeah. I thought that was fascinating, and that is to learn the language.
That is to learn the language. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, because
So all your friends were Kenyans and Nigerians?
Most of them.
Okay.
Yeah. Only when I was coming back to my room,
Right.
you know, I used to find these familiar
Harrys.
Harrys. Yeah. Because these guys used to make fun of my English, because, and my English was very bad. The spoken English was nowhere.
Right.
So I realized that, you know, if somebody who can listen to me quietly,
Without
with
judgment.
lot of patience and without judgment,
Right.
is going to be somebody coming from outside. And there was one Kenyan guy in my class. So I started, you know, getting close to him, started making friends with him, and then he became one of my best friends. Then another was Nigerian guy. I started hanging out with them, and these Biharis, they're friends of mine, they started making fun of me. अरे तू उन लोगों के साथ है, हमको नहीं पहचानता है, अच्छा चाय उसके साथ पिएगा, समोसा उसके साथ,
विदेशी हो गया।
हाँ, विदेशी हो गया। But you know, but what they didn't realize that 5 hours of my day, which I was spending with these guys, 5 hours I was speaking in English, flat out.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So I was getting so much of confidence.
Right.
So one of my friend, who happened to be the son of a diplomat, he was sharing room with us, and he was somebody who couldn't speak Hindi, and he used to say, "Oh, I don't watch Hindi films. You know, I only watch English films because I can't understand." You know. So you do theatre? Yeah, theatre we do. How is it in Hindi? How do you say it? You know, so he used to look down upon us. So he called me up after so many years. Just 2 years back, he called me up, and I picked up the phone. I said, "Yes, who's there?" They say, "Hey, Manoj, I'm Jayant." I'm like, "Who's Jayant?" "Manoj, Jayant, you know this Jayant this, and I was sharing room with you." "Hi, Jayant." I started talking to him, and then we were talking. And मतलब हम लोग बॉम्बे में यार अंग्रेजी में बात करते हैं, हाँ, तो अंग्रेजी में बात कर रहे थे. And suddenly he said, "Oh my God, man, your English is better than me." I said, how that happened? I said, "I don't know, yeah. I'm just talking." Right. Said, No. I'm kicking myself right now for laughing at you. When I go, yeah. You know? You know? So Jayant used to be my benchmark.
Right.
And when he said that, you know, "Yeah, Manoj, you are speaking well," so that was something, a certificate for me.
Right.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.